Ever wondered when your Geico insurance coverage protection runs out? Knowing your Geico insurance expiration date is undeniably essential while you don't want to be caught unprotected on the road. Let's get into the steps on how to figure it out first, and the easiest place to look is on your insurance card. Find your Geico provided insurance card. Take a close look. You'll find the expiration date clearly printed somewhere on the card, most often towards the bottom, or sometimes near the policy period information. See that date. That's the day your current coverage concludes. Don't have your card handy? No sweat. Next, let's pivot to your policy documents. Your policy documents, which you likely received via mail or email when you first signed up, also contain your policy's expiration date. The layout might vary slightly depending on your specific plan. However, the expiration should be listed directly. Review your policy. Locate the policy period section to easily find the date. In addition to manual checks, Geico usually sends out information letting you know when your insurance is nearing its end. They generally send renewal notices by mail or email a few weeks before your current policy expires. Pay close attention to these communications. These notifications will inform you of your upcoming expiration and provide options for renewal to ensure your coverage remains active. Set yourself a reminder on your phone. Renewing your Geico policy on time is key. It keeps you protected on the road, allowing you to drive with peace of mind, and prevents any potential gaps in coverage. Good luck.